Friday. I just got done with scribing. It's about 12:50. We got off at 12:15. Today was a really good day. I don't know if we talked about this before, but I have this nurse where no matter what I do, it's not good enough. My typing's not fast enough. My spelling's not being fixed quick enough, so whatever. She just is gonna have to stay. So today we saw some hand stuff, which is not what we usually see. So it took me a couple extra times to get some things done. My provider's super understanding. I trained on Monday with this other provider and scribe, and she gave me some info about keeping one note up the whole time until you're done, instead of jumping different notes to keep it easier to kind of maintain, and that really helped. I got done quicker, so at like 12:15, usually I'm at 3, as you guys know. So I'm documenting a win. Today's a good day. I'm gonna take my contacts off and take my makeup off and kind of hang out. Okay, so I feel like I have not really updated you this weekend. MSU versus U of M today, and MSU won, and Kenneth Walker the third literally, I think, had 4 touchdowns or 5. Amazing. I am currently getting ready to go to a Halloween party, so I will show you the final reveal. And then tomorrow I work in retail, so I'll probably check in with you after I get ready, and then tomorrow when I go to work. Okay, so I forgot to take a video inside, but I'm Lydia Beats from Beetlejuice, so I'll try to take more video later, but it looks like this. Converse, because, you know, sorry I haven't had a ton of time to check in today. I've been super busy, but I picked up a shift at Target because one of our team members has a kid and I don't, so I offered to work Halloween for her, and she got me candy, and it was super sweet. So it's been really busy, hence the sweat, obviously. Hopefully you guys can hear me, but I will check on you when I get home, and tomorrow I go back to scribing. So we're pretty late to like 11 tonight, and I have to get before 4:30, so. I'm currently on demand, which means they would like me to work once every 6 weeks, but I only have to work once every 6 months. So it's really helpful when I want some extra money or just see my friends on top of scribing. So I only scribe 3 days a week, so it's perfect. It's kind of what's going on with my work schedule, so. Lovely face breaking out, but I just got home. It's like 10:30. I got up early tonight. So I'm gonna get ready for bed and go to bed, and I will check in with you in the morning. Hey, so I'm gonna go pre-chart, but there's for the most part 2 types of patients we see, which is ILD follow-ups, and which is interstitial lung disease, or sleep apnea follow-ups. Look for the imaging and put that in, and then we will go see them. We start here in about 45 minutes, so. Last day of training is officially done. So I got off early, but like it doesn't feel early, so now I'm just gonna go sit in traffic for an hour and a half. So I'm gonna go do that. Feel better. There's some things I still feel like aren't perfect, but I did a really hard one today and I felt really good. My trainer left this morning, so this afternoon was completely me. So I am feeling much better about it. Yeah, I'm gonna go home and try to have some Taco Bell. We'll see if we're making dinner tonight. I feel like I deserve Taco Bell after a good day. So I just got a ton of stuff in the mail. Says STEMness, it's for STEM and feminist. Another thing was this Alzheimer shirt. The walker's super soon, so I'm so excited. It's been a good day. We had some therapy. Non-leak capsules. They have different ones. You can take these off though, so you can just switch them up if you want to change them. So Anastasia approves. I just travel so much, I got tired of buying travel size stuff. Hi, as you guys saw, I just had lunch. I got off clinic around 12:45, so that was cool. I'm still not super like vibing with my provider, if you will. One of them at least. It's funny because the one that said there was gonna be hard, like the orthopedics one, he has high standards, or at least I know like what I'm supposed to do. But the one I have on Wednesdays, it's like I come in, she says stuff, we go into the room and then the second we get out of the last room, she goes on this conference call. So you have like no time to talk to her. But then she'll go back in my charts and fix a ton of things. I do feel like a lot of the patients I saw today, I definitely would have been able to grasp as much as I did to begin with. So my end goal is for her not to adjust too much in my HPI, which is still happening. But the plan is just stuff that she's adding that I don't think I'm supposed to be adding. So I'm gonna ask next time I see her. Basically, I just have to ask her before we start going into rooms. I am going to a concert later. We have a really busy week. The walk is this week, which is partly why I'm not talking a lot, because I feel like a lot of my past videos for a lot have been talking just because I haven't had the energy to think about like what I want these vlogs to look like. Whereas here I'm like trying to map it out. I know it sounds weird. When I'm talking to you like this, I don't have to think about it. When you're doing daily activities and just kind of putting music to it, you do have to like think about that. And also I want to save some space for my walk this weekend. So
you were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so
good morning. I'm just having some coffee here. I went out with my husband and his parents last night, so that was super fun. Today I have two jobs. I work at my scribe shift from like 6:30 until whenever I'm done, which is kind of 12, but it's been like 2 or 3 these days. And then I work 5 to 10:30 at Target. And then the day after, I have to get up at 4:30 to help set up for the Alzheimer's walk. So it's a really exciting weekend. Follow along, hang out, do all the things with me. I hope you're having the best day. So I will check with you when I get into the clinic, and we'll see what today brings. Okay, so I woke up kind of late today, which is fine, but my car is still frosty, as you can see. So I didn't have a ton of time to do that, so I'm running late. So I'm just gonna run into the clinic, and I will catch up with you when I'm out. I just woke up from like an hour and a half nap, and I'm gonna get ready for work now and go there. So today at work was okay. I am working on feeling better. My doctor told me a few things he wanted me to fix in the notes, and it's just kind of hard not to feel like you're not perfect. They're not bad things at all. They're just wording preferences for him. But it's funny because I had a good day, so I should feel like very like everything's great. But for whatever reason, I still feel confident. So I think it's just gonna take some time. So I'm gonna get ready, and I'll probably check in with you on the way. It's gonna be a very long shift. So we're basically ready. It's drive up. It's a 5.5 hour shift, which means we don't get a lunch. I have to be up at 5:30 tomorrow to help with I have to leave here at 5:30, so I have to get up at like 4:30 tomorrow and help with everything. Yeah, super tired. Trying to figure out what we're doing for food scenario. So we'll see what happens. I will try to check in with you later today. I feel lack of videos today. I'm super exhausted. I just got off Target. I'm gonna eat because Taco Bell was closed. Tragic. And then I'll try my best to remember to check in with you tomorrow because it's a super early morning. So we will see. But tomorrow's the walk, so I'm super excited. And I hope you have the best night. Just got back from the walk. I got up late this morning, so I was supposed to get up at 4:30 a.m. I set my alarm last night for 4:30 p.m. Got up at 5:30 like naturally, so I was there a little late. It's really amazing. I didn't really take any videos or anything just because it was so nice to be in the moment, but it was amazing. That was part of the ceremony. I'm kind of sad it's over. What is up in my eyebrow? But I'm sad it's over. It was amazing, and it's a fun end to a chapter. So me and Chris are gonna go hang out, and I will check in with you later. Sorry for the lapse in content. Got a little crazy. We are back though. So enjoy my chaotic. I just got out of clinic, and it was exhausting. We had 4 or 5 providers today, and it was insane. We don't have enough rooms for that. Plus, 2 of them had residents, 1 had a student, and another one had a scribe. So we had like literally 15 people. There's only 2 nurses for all those. It's not enough. It's an addition. Hello, keyboard. We used to just have 2 providers. So it's very intense. So my provider was very stressed. So he usually reads exams quickly, but man, he went at warp speed today. Kind of felt like my first day all over again. Had to ask a lot of clarification, but I didn't have to stay after for the encounters that I did. So they were kind of messy, but I finished them all before I left. So I apparently have no boundary with work ethic. So I'm going to go to Target from 1:30 to 9:30, and I was in clinic from 6:30 to 1. So it's been a day, and finish out with Target, and I'll check in with you when I'm done.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better.
Hi, I'm so sorry I haven't checked in. So yesterday I worked, I ate dinner, which you saw, and then I passed out for 12 hours, got up, and basically woosad because I didn't sleep at all the night before. So that's kind of what happened. I felt like a really bad hangover, just like lack of sleep is how, the only way I can explain is when I don't sleep very well the night before, it's like a hangover the next morning. So it was about 6:30 at night. I did therapy today, I took a shower. I'm gonna go hang out with my friend Savannah. This is today's fit with some Vans probably. Hi, I just wanted to thank you for following along on this vlog. I know there's a lot of different things going on. It was a really chaotic couple of weeks. So we had, as you guys saw, some Halloween party, both jobs, scribing, retail, going out with friends, seeing family. So I really appreciate you hanging along. Alzheimer just come to a close, so it's really bittersweet, but I'm really excited about the next chapter. And with scribing, I'm still kind of getting integrated, but once I do kind of get my feet wet more, I will be kind of going back to the tips and tricks, but I really like to have a feel for the field before I start giving people tips on things. So hope you guys are doing amazing, and I will check with you next week.